All right, my love, so today we are gonna work on adding up our bumblebees. You're gonna need this sheet. I am using little Legos as my manipulatives, things that I can touch to help me add up those two groups, and a writing utensil. All right, let's get started. We are going to do our additions 3 different ways. We're going to do one by just counting the bees in our paper. We're going to do another one using our Lego pieces. And we're going to do another one using our fingers, okay? Different ways to do it. Whichever way you feel more comfortable, that's the way you use when you are adding up some numbers, okay? The bigger the number, sometimes the easier it is when you have the manipulatives or something visual you can count on. So let's start by writing our name at the top. Mrs. Castillo already did. Take pride in your work, make it nice and neat, and let's get started. I'm gonna grab a piece of paper so we can cover the bottom part of the paper so that we only focus on one row at a time. You can do this at home if it's a little bit easier, okay? So we're gonna look at the top. This one has 1 bee. This hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bees. So I'm gonna take one and I'm gonna put it right on top of each bee so I don't miss any. Okay. So we have 1, write the number 1 here, plus, that's the plus sign, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals, that's the equal sign. So 1 plus 5 equals how many? Let's put them all together. Put them all together right here and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So equals 6. And you can go ahead and draw. I'm gonna draw 6 dots to represent my bees. You can go ahead and make a picture of your bees. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. Okay. We're gonna move on to the next one. 1, 2. 2 bees. And for this one, I'm not gonna use Legos. I'm just gonna count up the bees. So we said this is plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 4 equals how many? I'm going to use my finger to count the bees, and I'm going to put a little dot next to them so that I know that I've already counted that bee. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 bees. So I'm going to make 6 dots to represent my 6 bees. And you saw this, I didn't use any of my manipulatives. I just counted what was on the paper and made dots right next to each one so that I made sure I counted each one at a time. And we're going to move on to the last one. This one I'm going to use my fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 bees plus 1, 2, 3. 3 bees equals 3 plus 3 equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bees. 3 plus 3 equals 6 bees. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this one, we used our fingers. Those are 3 different ways that you can count up your bees and add them up to give you the sum. The sum is the total of the 2 numbers. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Look at that. These are all different ways that add up to the number 6. Good job, my friends. Keep up the great work and keep practicing. See you soon.